Anytime I visit a new place, I'm always on the lookout for a good dog beach. In this particular video, we're going to look at 5 dog-friendly beaches on the east coast of the United States. We'll put links in the description to each beach. The first one up is Larchmont in Westchester County, New York. There's a section of beach in Larchmont dedicated for dogs. It's right next to a country club. Longport, New Jersey is another all-dog beach. In the summer, the small parking lot is full, and you might need to wait a while for someone to leave in order to get a spot. It's so cool to see an entire beach filled with dogs, all playing and having the time of their life. I definitely suggest checking out Longport, New Jersey Dog Beach. Patchogue is on the south shore of Long Island and is a great option if you live in the city and want to take a day trip with your dog. The dog beach is called Mud Creek Dog Beach, and it's huge. If you head south to EDISTO Island in South Carolina, there are plenty of beach houses for rent. One year we rented a house on the beach and had our own private access for the entire week. And East Hampton, New York is another dog-friendly beach. There are no shortage of beaches on the east end of Long Island. You'll want to visit most of them in the off-season. The East Hampton MAKO Lane beach access is an awesome place to take your dog on a day trip in the off-season. More information on each location is in the description. Please subscribe to our channel for more dog-friendly places.